tunel, jet ski, la tunel.
Wow, we love to see it. Maybe we should just go this way. So it is Tuesday and my friend from a ship, Liam, is coming up from Newcastle and he's bringing his boat. So me and Carrie are going to try and do water skiing and wakeboarding and stuff that we're just not very good at, but we'll give it a try. So I'm going to go meet Liam today and help him put the boat in the water. I'm not sure how much help will be there, but we can give it a go. And then we'll see what happens tomorrow when we try and water ski. Hey. So I'm in the boat, he's loaded it in, and I'm actually now just wondering how I'm meant to get out of the water, how I'm meant to get out of the boat without getting wet. How am I meant to get out?
You'll get out in a minute.
Okay. Okay, let's see. So we've hoovered out the boat and got it ready, and I'm actually laughing so much at me, Cameron House, walking down with a hoover. At least it's looking nice and clean now, and then we're going to be heading out on the water skis soon.
Odd nuts.
Get those windows down.
Old nuts.
Your hill walking boots are stricken. The big boat day out preparation is underway. We're going to pick up wetsuits. Size age 14 and age 13 and age 16.
There's only two, one's a man's, one's a boy's.
I think I'll be taking the man's and Abbie will be taking the boys. I got the goods. Do they smell like the sea? Smell?
No. Smell of wetsuits.
Woo! Adventure boat day. Having a wee Greek yogurt before we set off on the big day. The sun is out, it's 10 o'clock. Waiting for Abbie's dad to pick us up. Abbie will be eating a fry up right now. I could put all my money on it. And we're absolutely buzzing. Last night it was absolutely pissing down. And I was thinking, oh god, this is going to be dangerous. But now I'm like, woohoo. I am. Weetabix this morning. Yeah, you need to be in this part because my dad normally makes me a cooked breakfast in the mornings. But here I am. In the morning of my big day as well, my big adventure, and I'm eating Weetabix. It's not very nice. So we're getting ready for our adventure. Carrie's at hers, we're going to pick her up soon.
Yeah, let's go. Go, 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 go.
And my dad had to take a day off work to drop us at Loch Lomond. Today we're going to water ski and wakeboard. I'm really not sure. I water skied once before when I was about 8 in Canada, and I've not done it since, and it's Loch Lomond and it's going to be freezing cold. But I guess I'm just going to finish my breakfast and then we'll go pick Carrie up. I actually knew you'd be videoing. Look at that tan though.
Good morning.
Show she's tan.
I know, I had to. Been on holiday, you know? Been on holiday.
Okay, we're off. Driver, take us to Loch Lomond.
Are we going to Seville?
No, we've been there. We've been there and back.
Don't judge us for our sight of vlog, right?
Look at the wetsuit.
They're too big.
So we're currently in the loch.
In the loch.
I love that we're here. I love that we're both here with the hoops. We've got the hoops in. The hoops are in. The wetsuits are on.
The water is as blue as anything. It's bright blue.
And the sun's blazing the skies. We're so excited for this hot summer's day.
In 10 minutes I'll be like with my factor 50.
So basically, Liam.
He's a white boss.
Liam's finally made it to being a captain. I'm so proud of him. He's worked all his days and here he is, captain of the ship. Did you go to like Marine Academy?
Marine Academy?
Yeah.
I don't know what I'm doing though.
What, whereabouts was the Marine Academy? Where?
South Shields.
South Shields?
We're also not going to be hear anything and the
I know.
wind's going to be so bad. But so Liam is from the ship and he's driving our
From the ship, it's Abbie's ship.
from the
Biggest
ship that
ship
I was on.
tomorrow.
And this is Max.
Hello.
Max is a pro
Everything.
BMXer, mountain
Are you?
biker.
No.
He mountain bikes. Have a look on his Insta for some cool pics.
We'll put the tag here.
But yeah, so we're going water skiing and wakeboarding. Woo!
What the upside down?
My phone will go flying out of this.
And we'll actually watch that. Wind in the hair.
And now you won't be able to hear a thing. It's roasted. It's so warm. And we'll check back soon once
Check back in.
we're on the water skis.
I'm really nervous for the skiing. Look at this wind. I love doing that. I love why are you laughing so much? Why are you laughing?
Oh, BBC Radio on the Gale, get it turned up.
Is this song not going to get copyrighted?
We might have to cover this bit. Due to
that the
copyright.
The weather is bright.
It's a look.
I'm
It's a
actually
look.
really nervous for this. A really important part of the vlog is our fashion, so I'm just going to do a wee haul for you.
Yeah, we know that we're quite the fashionistas these days,
So
so
we've got a haul. So today I'm wearing my mountain equipment jacket. This is my mountain equipment. A perfect benefit of this jacket is the safety whistle. I've got my good wetsuit on, all the way from Michael's house, Michael's dad's, and I've got my Pegasus 37, which by the way are a good running trainer.
so I've got on
You're even worse than me.
I've got on this puffer jacket.
What's the make? Fly 50. It's George. It's from George.
The pockets have holes in them, so they're great for storage because stuff actually stores.
Stuff stores down the bottom. The jacket's good
And
for
then I've got
storage.
the red wetsuit on. Also
Can we
from
just
Trin.
note on how you've also got dog poo bags in your pocket? I like how you're like that. It's great
I've tried to show
storage.
you my shoes actually, just because it's the
It's the what? It's the what? Are they fake? Oh, what?
No, the Adidas.
Oh shit, she can't show the shoes.
Not you yet, but
Oh wait,
maybe in
it's
the
so
future,
small. And then what else have you got on?
That's all. My socks are from Primark.
I've got two odd socks on. One Nike, one Primark.
Yes, so that's our haul for today, for right now.
And we've both got the wee gold hoop earrings on to try and make Adventure Day stylish. I'm so nervous. Are you not?
I'm nervous just for how cold it is.
How are you feeling?
Alright, little bit cold.
A little bit cold. I'm just cold here.
I
My
know,
heart
it's
is
cold.
pounding out my chest. I'm nervous.
What degrees is it right now? It's the wind. It's not even like the.
Oh, I'm near 12 degrees.
Is that right or is it altruistic? Why?
Why are we doing this? This is not going to be enjoyable. This cold.
It will be. It's gonna be fun.
Should have had dry suits.
Like
What's the difference?
Dry suits keep you dry.
Suit just let you stay dry. You wear like
That would have been
top
good.
and clothes under it.
That would have been
That's
so much
I can't
better.
get them tight. Like, you'll be alright then just while we're trying.
You don't want to be dangerous, so you don't want to hurt
Safety
yourself.
never takes a holiday.
We actually never got a safety briefing coming on this boat. I would like to
Oh yeah, I would like to
You
see.
tried to give me one yesterday, but you were like, nah, it's alright.
I would like to know where my muster station is.
Come on, you could do.
Just keep the board square and let it pull you up like you do a squat.
Last
Get
minute
into
note.
squatting position.
I've got so much shit I couldn't see.
Good first attempt. Good first attempt.
Better than the Keswick attempts. Honestly. Oh, that really hurt.
I can swim at least one length in a swimming pool.
Thanks, be in Loch Lomond.
One length of this and you're done. You're good. You look the part at least. Yeah.
Get a picture. Get me really secured in. See that? Have you bit of whiplash?
Oh, you know you fall off these, don't worry.
I'm so scared.
You let the floor out of waivers, I should have had
Take your
that.
shoes off.
I don't know.
Alright. Like
You're
you're going out
doing
swimming.
skis on the board or what do you fancy? We'll just stay in the water, man. Don't you go jumping in the water yet. We'll go over there near that island.
Yeah, they toes out. Toes out, boy. What?
It's not right at the end there. I'm not joking.
What, is it not starting?
Yeah. Interesting. Nice. Is it fair to climb on the front and just drop the anchor? Let me have a look at the engine. Excuse me a second. Oh, it's an experimental boat.
This is why he was never a captain.
Just in that little hatch thing.
Wow, don't you laugh when the boat is broken? It'll work this time.
Let's have a look at it.
Okay, so the boat is broken.
Like on.
The engine, something's happened, the engine is not starting.
And then slide that.
I'm already looking unreal, so...
ready for
You're ready, Carrie's ready, look at that. It's broken, I hope they fix it. What's going to happen if they don't?
And then fill it over
I'm
the side.
bursting for a pee as well. So Carrie's got a trick for your wetsuit.
You basically pee inside your wetsuit and keep your whole world up nice and cozy.
Is that what you're going to do?
I need to. I'm already doing it in the bloody boat.
Alright. One sec. We're on Loch Lomond. We need some assistance on Loch Lomond. Yeah, he's doing that now. Yeah.
Okay.
We're not friends anymore.
So we are
Disaster.
We are stranded in the middle of Loch Lomond.
The sun's coming out. What
The
you
coat, we
complaining?
had to...
No, we didn't.
Who did you just call the Coast Guard?
We had to actually
We're getting
radio.
rescued.
We had to radio Coast Guard.
We're getting towed away.
It's his boat.
Why was it Coast Guard Belfast? That's what
I know.
was
The
confused
stations
at.
are MRCCs around the UK and they answer.
That's bizarre.
So yeah, we're currently
So we're currently waiting on Coast Guard
floating
coming to pick
to
us
try and not hit the rocks. We're getting picked up, we're getting towed away, and then we'll be back out.
And
Hopefully.
once we've worked out what the problem is, the engine just won't start.
turn on.
This is so typical for us. Why can
Standard.
nothing ever goes to plan that we do? Do you know that?
This is
Like,
part of the
ever.
plan. And do you have this one?
Yes.
So yeah, anyway, we've broken down.
We're drifting.
We're floating in the middle of the
someone's gonna pick us
rock.
up
Well,
and we'll see what happens. Basically. Let's see.
Standard. I actually knew
Get
What,
your,
really?
get
this
your
whistle
whistle
would
out.
come in handy.
Will you be able to tow?
Oh, they're coming.
I knew this whistle would come in handy. Come save us. Meanwhile, on our breakdown, I'm absolutely bursting. Both of us are. Saying it's really shallow.
Belfast Coast Guard, this is Jet Ski Little Nelly, All 4 people on board are well and smiling happily, and we'll tow them to Balmaha. Over.
Little Nelly. What a guy.
He's called what?
Little Nelly. Right, on you go, Nelly, give us a pull. I can't believe
Hello?
I am going to pee myself.
Yeah, we've got...
2 hours later.
It's alright, just not cranking though, is it? Try. So how long will you hold this boost for? Like just boost release. Right, I mean...
We've got all the men here saving us. All the middle-aged men. Kidnapped.
Thank you so much, thank you.
Thank you.
Too promising, it was like sounded dodgy enough, the boost just wasn't enough for it, or what, but it just didn't. We'll just try it and then we'll go from there. There's no water ingress or anything like that, so everything's okay in that respect, but
This is so typical. Like,
This is actually standard.
this is
Right.
see me and Carrie.
Right.
Don't we love the drama?
We don't see any fucking love.
Nothing will ever go to plan. It always goes to pot.
Nothing to plan, always to pot.
Always to
This
pot.
is
Okay, so what have we got, Carrie?
I've got
Lunch roll.
can't beat Tesco chicken, bacon and lettuce.
I've got Tesco's barbecue chicken,
Yours
bacon
smells
and
nice. Do I
cheese.
do one for one?
Okay.
This is so funny. We're literally being told by a police boat with flashing blue lights. Not a police boat, a rescue boat, but flashing blue lights. Not mine does. Not mine does. Just sitting here.
play it. I'll fire it up now and see if you can hear this noise.
His phone is dead.
You hear that, yeah?
Dad, my
Well.
boat's broken. Help.
Dad, sleep me.
Sorry?
I'm gonna bite my nails off.
Yeah, I'll do that, right.
We've given up with the jets, with the water ski, but we're happy.
Do you know once Francisco asked me why? He said that to me. See when you get pictures taken, why do you go like this?
It's because our top lips aren't plump.
That's just how my lips go when I smile. They just disappear.
So we got rescued, we got back to the marina, and the boys are back on top. The boys had to get a new battery because they thought that was what was broken, and then
I really wish we could just be floating in the middle of the
it didn't
water.
work. So now, anyway, cutting it short, we're just enjoying marina life. Here's all the boats.
So basically we were meant to water ski today and it just didn't happen.
I think they get this by this point in the vlog. I think they know what's going on. They've been here all day.
So in case you didn't know, our boat broke down.
Abbie, what do you want to do tonight? I don't want to leave you. I've been in Michael's company for like 4
Don't you
million
have a
weeks.
sleepover?
Yeah, but you can sleep over at mine.
Shite.
What's your favourite thing about Royal Caribbean Symphony of the Seas, apart from Abbie&Carrie MacNeil?
Hi! What?
You don't even work on the ship anymore?
Yeah, no, I don't anymore.
Yeah, but she was a
Maybe
true
I'll come back
OG
if I get accepted ever.
OG dance captain.
Not quite.
Abbie, you look nice. Why have you got your wetsuit off? Look at me.
I took my wetsuit off ages
Film
ago.
the duck.
Hi sisters, you're getting featured in the vlog. Let me see your best pout. 1, 2, 3, duck pout.
Duck face, hashtag duck face.
Hashtag Abbie.
Well,
Hashtag Abbie. Oh, should we try and get a crisp? Have we got any crisps?
Come here.
Did you like the salt and vinegar off it?
Abbie, salt and vinegar, they'll be fine.
Yeah.
Like,
Oh, it's on it.
I wanted to take it off our hands.
Yeah. Right, Carrie. Carrie, you ready for this?
Yeah. Go closer, go
It's
closer.
going to bite me.
It won't bite. Just go a bit closer, Abbie. I'll hold you.
No, it needs to come.
Go closer.
It needs to come to me. Here.
Look at it, pure twisting away. Abbie, don't you think we're the only ones here who aren't rich?
Yeah. It's our first Get Ready With Us. Well, what do you want?
I want a slick bad pony.
Okay, well, give me a bobble then. That wasn't.
I feel like I'm getting a bun.
Is it too high?
So this is how I do my hair every day. I basically just put it in a pony. That's it.
And that's the finished look.
That's how I do
Let me know what you think in the comments below.
That's how I do my hair. I just go like that. Maybe I can see that. I just rub it in my
Guys, go around with us.
I just go like that and I just rub it all over my face. I can see that. I don't usually. I just put bronzer everywhere. I know I'm gonna get so many messages asking if I can do some people's makeup. Yeah, I can. Why did shit just get crazy? In the premiere, why are we actually at a premiere? No, it's not online. It's just like
Okay, so wait, hold on a minute. We never went water skiing. we
went
never
to the-
did anything that we were meant to do, and we're now at a premiere in.
and we're waiting
in
for
the
Michael
barn.
to come. We're booking the subway. Can I get a bite? Can I get a bite?
Can I get a bite of your sandwich?
I told you I speak Holland.
Okay, bye.